Hey, chances are when you are on Binance, it currently says that BNB withdrawals are temporarily suspended, or that withdrawals in general are temporarily suspended. Here's what we know so far. But before we start, just make sure you give the video a like for me putting in the effort in creating this video. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 14K subscribers yesterday. So there's currently a tweet, and by the way, this is a rule of thumb. When you have an issue like this, go on Twitter, check what they're doing. Actually follow their Twitter account to be up to date with situations like this. So basically 3 hours ago, withdrawals were temporarily suspended due to a large volume increase causing a withdrawal backlog. They're resumed. And this happens a lot of times, actually. Oh, that's cool. The Doge. This happens a lot of times. I've had withdrawals suspended a lot of times, pretty much every other day, because I use Binance to transfer money for my business, for my e-commerce business, FX suppliers. So I need crypto, and a lot of times I just can't withdraw. So don't worry, just check after an hour. Normally, it's good after that. If the video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.